Okay. Hi. I'm just gonna continue from the previous video, and we talked about numbers within Swahili. Last ended we talking about how depending on which class that is used in the word, you or you put in a prefix or you don't. For example, I mentioned that in classes uh, do not have a prefix, while Enva class have extra M when you say moja. Instead of saying moja for one, you say moja. Now I'm gonna continue, and I also talked about the plural. That many people in plural is watu. If you want to see watu, no, if you want to say, I'm sorry, if you want to say two people, you say watu wawili. Wa indicates that it's an Mwa class and it's plural. Yeah. So I'm gonna continue with three people. If you want to say three people, then you use the watu, of course, because it's plural still. Watu plural. But you say watatu. So you still have the wa, but tatu, you put the prefix wa in front of the actual word, which is tatu, and tatu means three. So you see a pattern here that in plural you put mw before the as a prefix before the actual word. So as you said, three people would be watu, watu, people, watu, watatu. Watatu means three people. And the same thing goes to four people, still plural, and you still have the wa prefix. So it's watu wa nane. No, wa nne. Sorry, watu wa nne. Nne means four. So it's like watu means people, wa nne means four. So four people. So you say actually, not just that you say in English you say four people, but in Swahili say people four. So you do the opposite. So you put the people before you say the actual the number of people. So you say watu, people, one, one. So it's people four. Same thing goes to tano, which is 10. Which is 5. I'm a little confused today. Okay, so it's watu wa tano. Tano means 5. Sorry. Watu wa tano means 5 people. So the same thing there. It's plural, and you put wa in front of the word tano. Tano, it's 5. 5, not 10. 5. Same thing if we change word. If we say nyumba, which is house, or say nyumba tano, then you do not take a prefix on the word on the word tano, for example. When you say nyumba, which is house, nyumba, which is house, you do not put the prefix on the count on the number. So you do not put the wa in front of the number. So you just say, if it's 5 house, you just say nyumba tano, which means 5 houses. And one thing we should notice, that I noticed while I was doing this also, And I should inform you that the prefixes for these words, numbers, uh, only comes when there's Bantu numbers, because when you have Arabic numbers, you don't put prefixes. So, and that's just a funny thing to know, maybe. So, when you have, for example, Bantu words, you put prefixes, moja, moja. But when you have Arabic numbers, you do not put prefixes. An example of those numbers are Arabic numbers that do not have prefixes, I should mention, of course, like Sita, Saba. Sita means 6, Saba means 7, Tisa means 9, and Kumi means 10. So Sita, 6, Saba, 7, and Tisa, 9, Kumi 10. So Sita 6, Saba 7, Tisa 9, and Kumi 10. Those do not have prefixes because they're Arabic numbers. Let's talk about the numbers from 11 to 19. These also have a specific pattern, you can see. You put 10. 10 is like the first thing you put, like, and then you just add the numbers. Like, we can see in English would be like 10 and 2 would be, that's how you do it. So like in Swahili you do like this: 10 and 2, that is 12. 10 and 3, that is 13. 10 and 4, that is 14. 10 and 5, that is 15. 10 and 6, that is 16. So that's how you do it. You put 10 as like starting, then 10 and the number blah blah that you want to say. For example, if you want to say 10 and if you want to say 11, you say 10 and 1, 11. So okay, let's do this. As I mentioned before, the word 10 is kumi. So kumi, Kumi, Kumi. So it's like kumi. If you want to say 11, you say kumi na. So na is like and. Kumi na moja. Moja is 1, so it's 11. It's like kumi na moja is 11. Say 12, you say kumi na mbili. Mbili is 2, so it's like 12. So kumi na mbili, that is 12. Kumi na tatu, that is 13. So it's like kumi 10 na and tatu 3. Kumi 10 na and tatu 3. So 10 and 3, 13. Kumi na tatu. Same thing until you reach 20, because then you have 20 is called ishrini. That's also an Arabic word though. Ishrini, and then you do the same thing there as you did with 10. So ishrini, you have ishrini na moja, ishrini 20 and 1, so it's 21. Ishrini na mbili, 20 and 2, so it's 22. Ishrini na tatu, 20 and 3, 23. Ishrini na nne, 20 and 4, 24. So you get the pattern. You have 20 first and 1, 21. It's simple. And in Swahili, 20 na moja. Okay. And then we can continue. I could mention like, for example, could I say 30, 30, أربعيني 50, ثلاثيني 30, أربعيني 40, خمسيني which is 50, ستيني 60, and سبعيني blah blah, and continue like that. So we can say like ثلاثيني 30, أربعيني 40, and خمسيني 50. And you notice that it's almost, if you actually know Arabic, it's very similar in Arabic, but they just don't put the I in the end. So I think Arabic just say ثلاثين. They don't, but we say ثلاثيني, but they say ثلاثين. They don't put the I in the end, and they say أربعين. They don't put the I in أربعين either, but we say أربعيني, and they would say hamsin, but we say hamsini. So